Hi everyone, and welcome to the NFPA LiNK YouTube channel. This page is dedicated to answering key questions you have related to electrical and life safety. Today we're going to talk about a new topic that was introduced into NFPA 1, the Fire Code for the 2021 edition. That's additive manufacturing, or 3D printing as you've probably heard it more commonly referred to. To talk about it, we're going to use our easy-to-use digital access to NFPA codes and standards, NFPA LiNK. So with that, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start by heading into NFPA 1, the Fire Code, the 2021 edition. And then we'll scroll down to chapter 46, which is the new chapter for additive manufacturing. And here we can see on the left that there's 3 subsections within this chapter. So we have an application section, we have a section for non-industrial additive manufacturing, and a section on industrial additive manufacturing. I'm going to focus today just on those 2 types of additive manufacturing, so the non-industrial and the industrial, rather than the actual requirements that are listed within this chapter. So here we see we have some enhanced content, and if you take a look, it says that definitions for industrial additive manufacturing and non-industrial additive manufacturing were added to chapter 3. So if you're not sure what differentiates those 2 types, we can head over to chapter 3 to look at the definitions. And we'll scroll down until we find the additive manufacturing definition. So we see it right here, a process of joining materials to make objects from 3D model data, usually layer upon layer, sometimes referred to as 3D printing. And then we see those 2 types of additive manufacturing as sub-definitions. So industrial additive manufacturing is a 3D printing operation that really, to sum it up, it has sort of another layer of hazard associated with it, right? So when you look at that definition, you see things like it uses combustible powders or metals, it has an inert gas supply, or it has a combustible dust collection system, or it creates a hazardous electrical classification area outside of the equipment. Whereas a non-industrial additive manufacturing operation is a 3D printing operation that does not create a hazardous electrical classification area outside of the equipment and does not utilize an inert gas supply or combustible dust collection system. So those definitions are really important in helping you determine which section of chapter 46 is going to apply, right? Because remember, as we head back into chapter 46, you have those 2 subsections. So either 46.2 will apply for non-industrial additive manufacturing, or 46.3 will apply for industrial additive manufacturing. We hope that provided some insight into a new topic covered by the Fire Code, additive manufacturing. For more info about how NFPA LiNK gives you the knowledge you need to get the job done right, visit www.nfpa.org/link. Thanks.